So this is a 2017 Vengeance by Forest River. It's 381L 12-6. I'm not sure exactly what that means. I think 12 is the size of the garage. I absolutely love this trailer. It has 3 axles, so you could load up to 3,000 pounds in the back in the garage. My motorcycle really doesn't weigh that much, but it's really easy to load it up if we have to go, and I do like the outside patio because we could use it for extra room. Also it has 3 ACs, so that's great, and it has a 5500 generator that can run all of those. So I'm very excited that that's on board, it's built in, I don't have to worry about it. It just turns on with the push of a button. It has 20-gallon tank for the gas, so that's primarily used for the generator, but it also has a pump that you could pump and fill your bike if you need to. So that's pretty cool. Also, it has hydraulic leveling jacks, and it's completely automatic, so you just park on hook, you hit the button, and it will level itself. That is absolutely awesome. I love that feature on this RV. This kingpin on this RV is awesome. I always wanted to get one of these because of the airbag. I think it makes the ride a lot better. A previous owner installed it, so I didn't have to spend money on this, but this is pretty cool. I took a little video, I'll show it to you what it looks like on the road. In today's episode, we're going to do a walkthrough of a new home. This is an awesome RV, so please subscribe if you haven't had a chance yet. Hit the like button, comment below, we would love to hear from you. But meanwhile, let's go, I'll show you inside. So this is our new bedroom. We're really excited because it's way separated from where the kids are, and so we have way more space here. We like that there is a lot of closet space here. The downside to having a toy hauler, there is not much closet space in the back. So all of our clothes and kids' clothes is all in this room. So this is basically kids' clothes and some of our more formal clothes. So, and these top drawers were taken out by previous owner, so the clothes can hang lower, so you don't have to iron it every time you use it. So we only have the bottom drawers, but that's plenty for us. Another big problem we had in the previous RV, we only had one AC. So being in Florida, now that it's starting to get hot and it's warming up outside, it was kind of the problem because I work nights and I sleep during the day. So if they had that AC running in the main living area, it wasn't enough in the bedroom. So sometimes it was a little bit difficult to sleep. So I'm so excited I have my own AC. This RV has 3 ACs, one in the bedroom, one in the kitchen or main area, and then one in the garage. Also in the previous RV we made pocket shelves that were right under the windows to put away Nadia's books and a computer and some stuff like that that's usually just kind of cluttering your space. So we had to do another one over here, and it really took a lot of stuff out of the nightstands, and it's all there. It has its own place. This is our fancy bathroom. I'll show you in here. So this is one of the better looking bathrooms that I ever seen in RV, and I have this thing for the lights. So this thing has the lights, has a backlit countertop. So it's pretty nice. I really enjoyed this bathroom. Also, I really wanted to have a glass door in RV. I really can't stand curtains, so this is pretty cool. I'm very excited about this. In our other RV, we made a video how we made shoe shelves. It really changed our life because between 5 of us there is a lot of shoes, and if they're on the floor then everybody's stepping over them and it's really annoying. So we had to make the same thing in here, and we have way more area, so we made it longer. Right now we're only using half, but also we're in Florida, so for the most part we're just wearing sandals. We're not wearing any of the other shoes.
This is my favorite part about this RV. Look at the size of this kitchen. Seriously, this is the best kitchen we've seen so far. One of my favorite parts is this giant sink and space to actually dry your dishes. That doesn't really take away the space from your general food chopping prepping area. And all these cabinets, all this extra storage is amazing. And a full-size fridge changed our life. It changed our RV life in a very positive way. I do like that this is not an island, but it's a peninsula because it gives you extra space on this side. I'm really hoping to buy like a toaster oven or something to put in here. But plenty of space for your food prep, extra outlets for your blender, your mixer, whatever else you need. This RV didn't come with any furniture in the living room, so it was kind of nice that we could put our own. And we love this couch because it's comfy, it's short, and we still haven't figured out what we're going to be doing in the corner where the chair is. But hopefully we're going to put some extra shelves for the books and maybe a little different chair with a higher back. Even though this peninsula is not made like a bar, but we got a couple bar stools and we use it to eat or for like a breakfast nook and stuff for the kids. And it works for us pretty good. Also, we love this fireplace. It's all the, the tranquility feeling, having it on just without the heat. We also got our plant rack back and our bottle rack from our old RV. Jaden decided to claim the loft, and that's where he sleeps right now. He loves it because, he's getting older and he likes his own space. The down part of this loft is that it's kind of dark and stuffy. So Ilya added an extra light, and he also ordered a window that's going to make a hole, put the window in there for him so he can have some natural light as well.
This ladder was right in the middle.
In the
middle, because this ladder was in the middle and I couldn't fit. So anyway, so this ladder, correct me again. It was right in the middle. I moved it to the side so it could permanently stay here. We only take it down when we put slides in. And we love this glass door because it kind of separates the space. Sometimes we run AC in this main area and we keep the back open because it has the patio in the back. Or sometimes boys play music or their games and they're kind of getting louder and older and rowdier. So they could be there and we could make food here and, we're not in each other's space. Another thing that I really like that it has a screen. Our other doors, they did not have the screen. We have AC running, but it's not too bad. This thing, isn't this great? So these are the sliding doors. They just have the screen, but they also have a film that's velcroed from the other side, so this becomes kind of like a 3-season room. But it just slides to the side, and a lot of times we will actually just completely open and just sit outside here. So this is our garage. These are the couches that fold down and make another bed. Currently we only fold one down and that's where Daria's sleeping. And this is another bed that's queen size. It's actually like a long queen size. It's queen size wide, but it's way longer because of the trailer, how long it is. So Ben sleeps up there and Daria sleeps down here. This is the table that came with our RV, so most of the time we have it over here. We'll do our school here. A lot of times we'll eat back here. On the nice days, which there's a lot of them in Florida, we'll put the table away in the back here on the deck and we'll eat outside. So this couch just folds out like this and it becomes a bed, and that's where Daria sleeps. So I have sheets and blankets and everything that makes a bed, and that's just up in the cupboard up there. So this bed, normally it doesn't have its own motor. So it comes down when you fold up the couches, the bed kind of rests on it, and it comes down to about this level. Well, I drilled some holes here and we have pins up here just to keep it at this level so I could still walk under it, and that's plenty of room for Ben. But this way we don't have to move it up and down as much. And there was no way to get up there, so I bought a ladder that goes on the back of the RV, and we just replaced these aluminum posts with metal. But this is permanent ladder that we screwed in, and that's what Ben is using to get up there. Also, Benjamin has its own AC here in the garage area. So this is a little hammock for the cat. It came with the RV, so the cat sleeps here a lot of times. That is Daria's dollhouse. But this cabinet, we specifically made it, it's basically for our cat. So this is the litter box, and we cut a hole on the other side so the cat comes in and it keeps the litter in place and it doesn't smell or anything like that. We have this outside mat that's plastic, so even when the cat gets out, it kind of shakes off a lot of the litter, so we don't really have to deal with that. And it looks halfway decent. Since I'm the one who's doing laundry, we have to go and get a washer. This is a washer and dryer combo.
He's not doing laundry, he's lying.
Right, yeah, I'm not doing laundry. I haven't done laundry in this one yet. Nadia does laundry, so she absolutely loves this thing. It's screwed in, it's vented, so I drilled a hole through the floor and to the outside, and it works great. Also, we have a half bath over here in the garage area, so that's very helpful when you have kids, because between the 5 of us in one bathroom, sometimes there's some traffic jams. There he is, he's just hiding. I'm ready to have dinner.
Where is my
Where's
dinner?
my dinner? Where's my dinner? Anyway, the sun is setting on that side, but when it's real sunny, there is an awning in the back here and 2 awnings on the side, which is very helpful. And it's also powered, so I don't have to come out when it's raining, do all that. I just have to push the button.